STD, stock analysis. Where is it going next? I'm showing you my price predictions in 1 minute video, so watch the video till the end. Toronto Dominion Bank, D. It's here and sitting at around 6% down on Friday, and overall past week is just brutal. It's not that crazy, but it's like 8% down. And like I said, I cleared up the fluff because in the last 2 years, the main thing that we've been doing is just the same exact thing and just consolidating from those levels from around $64 to like 52. Just ping ponging from that to that point. And for me, so I made it a lot simpler for me. Said the price needs to go up like 9, 10, 12% bullish, which is not that much, but again, it's TD, so I'm only really gonna look for those upside moves if there's double break above here and nothing else. Okay, nothing else. I don't care about the lower time frame or anything. This is from a daily chart. So that's that for the free course. Check the first link in the description. Absolutely free. All the ratings are 5-star reviews.